The mass production process is not only a series of visually satisfying steps, but also brings a sense of satisfaction to everyone watching. And this inspiration has fueled the creativity of WowTech in this video. So don't hesitate to show some love by hitting the subscribe button and embark on this journey right away. In the production of special compression springs, choosing the right type of high-strength steel is essential. The material needs to be able to withstand heavy loads and maintain flexibility when the spring is in operation. The process of creating giant tanks needs steel mold, because steel is highly durable and can withstand high pressure and temperature. Additionally, this storage tank is not only used for holding water, but can also accommodate chemicals or serve as a waste container. In addition, this tank is not only used to store water, but can also store chemicals or waste. Hydraulic crushers are always reliable companions in the construction industry, utilized for processing rocks, concrete, metals, and other materials with optimal efficiency. The manufacturing process of this powerful machine begins by putting scrap iron into the furnace to melt it down. The large format paper trimmer helps cut precisely the paper sheets from large rolls, creating uniform book pages, while improving efficiency and quality in the production process. Carbon steel, the top choice for giant bow shackles. Its exceptional hardness and strength ensure optimal performance in lifting and moving heavy loads on ships. To obtain the bow shackles used in the suspension or control system of a ship, it is necessary to go through a complex process, which plays an important role in the maritime transport sector. The production of ballpoint pens with metal 3D printing technology based on a plasma arc heat source is gaining attention as a cost-effective alternative to expensive lasers. The metal powder layers will be continuously coated on each layer after each laser sintering. With amazing ability and a consistent ink flow, this pen will surely win over the users. Pinewood, known for its quick ignition, smoke-free and odorless burning properties, is often chosen as the material for matchsticks. Matchsticks ignite and create a warm flame when antimony trisulfide and potassium chlorate mix. These days, producing bolts is a high-tech process with many steps. Let's find out how they turn raw steel into precision bolts. In some cases, threads are created after heat treatment, especially for applications such as engine head bolts and cylinders. This requires cutting oil and a sturdy roller to finish the industrial bolts. The Radiator is an expert in heat transfer, bringing a cool or warm space in a professional way. The assembly stage requires skilled technicians and expertise to ensure the final product meets consistent quality. Due to the increasing population and the rising demand for heating, there is a push for the development of the radiator market. Specifically in Europe, this sector accounts for a revenue share of more than $4 billion in 2021 alone. South Korea's automated brick factory can produce 100,000 units per day. Using clay as the primary material, it ensures the highest quality for exterior architecture. Once quality and aesthetics are guaranteed, the bricks are packaged and transported out of the factory, ready to be used in construction projects. The manufacturing of bowling balls is one of the important keys behind the successful throw. Lastly, the thumb hole in the bowling ball is drilled to provide comfort and control for the player. In reality, concrete pipes are widely used in installation under roads, railways, and embankments for drainage. And sand, gravel, cement, water, and mixed materials are indispensable materials in this process. With the advantages of being light, durable, and economical, aluminum alloy is used as the material to produce mass quantities of car wheel rims. This factory can produce about 5 million products per year. And until now, Hyundai's wheel rims are constantly being refined to enhance protection for passengers and the vehicle in case of collision. To create the unique beauty of glass cups, quartz sand is the main raw material used in the production process. Finally, achieving the highest quality batch of glass cups requires the visual inspection of highly skilled workers. Each PET plastic bottle takes hundreds of years to decompose naturally. So a Japanese factory collected them to recycle into a series of transparent plastic boxes. Converting tens of thousands of tons of PET plastic bottles into transparent plastic boxes is an innovative way to reduce plastic waste and create a sustainable solution for the environment. The first step in the process of creating gold bars is to refine gold to improve impurities and obtain high purity gold. Each bar is tightly protected in packaging to keep it safe from light, moisture, and impact. The bearing retainer is made from white cast iron FC450, which meets the standards of high durability and abrasion resistance. Mixing activated carbon powder and zeolite powder creates a mixture of substances that can remove various impurities in water, providing clean water. When installing the filter core, it should be placed near the water source so that the user can fully trust the device's ability to provide clean water. The main material for producing buckets is steel sheets, usually selected from thin rolled steel coils and meeting high-quality mechanical properties. Once the bucket has been tested, ensuring it meets all quality standards, it is ready to conquer customers. A large number of cans are lined up to enter the automated beer pouring process. The cans are placed under the pouring head, and each can receives the exact same amount of beer. Jimik, a symbol of drinking culture in South Korea, is a combination of chicken and beer. If you visit this East Asian country, don't miss this unique culinary experience. Any product shows us the importance of the standardized continuous production process. Which production process satisfies you the most? New registrations will be a great motivation for WowTech. Click the subscribe button now.